Oh, hey, didn't notice there. My name is Mythic, and we're playing some White Noise, a tale of horror. Horror, horror, horror. So yeah, this should be some fun. Um, I had to enhance the gameplay experience. Wait, what? Never mind. I first heard of the rumor some weeks ago. Strange disappears near an old plot in northern or northwest France. Me and my workmate quickly planned the trip. We wanted to publish a story in the renowned, I don't know. Made out of a small town near the some tape recorders in the area, and let me guess, he disappeared. It's almost 2 hours, and I'm a little bit worried, so I'm going out to look for him. Wish me luck. I'm scared. Ooh, special moves. What's that? Okay, we'll do that later. Alright. What's extras? Okay. I'm scared. Anyway, I had a subscriber. Oh, wait. Final tape recorders. A pickup. X flashlight. Oh, God. Alright, this is pretty cool. This reminds me of Slender Man. Alright, well, screw it. But yeah, like I've been trying to say, I had a subscriber mention this to me a few days ago. I was like, at the time I said, I'm not really up for it, whatever. Well, actually, no, I didn't really reply, I don't think. But okay, I found a road. That's cool. So yeah, this is it though. I kind of like, because this is a dollar game, and this is my last dollar on my Xbox Live account. And so, I kind of like watched a tiny bit of it on YouTube, just to make sure, or just to see what it was like. And I did not see what these tape recorder things were like, so I really have no idea what I'm looking for right now, like what they look like. It's a lot of stars, holy crap. Okay, creepy building. That's some pretty good graffiti there. You should be proud of yourself, dude. Maybe I do this. No? Oh, is that tape recorder? Yeah, okay. It's a tape recorder. Hey, there we go. Okay. Yeah, I just like to mess with myself. Okay, so, oh my god, this is scary. This reminds me of Slender Man a lot. Yeah. I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna keep running down the street. Oh god. Holy crap. Okay, let's just keep going this way. Oh my god, that scared me. Is that a dead end? Oh god, it's a dead end. Okay. Okay, oh Jesus God. Oh, okay. Let's just walk this way like this. Okay. We're alright. We're alright. This is scary. I don't like this. Oh, Jesus God. Oh God. Don't mind me, Mr. Scary Ghost. I'm just gonna waltz right. Oh, Jesus God. I'm just gonna waltz right past you. Don't mind me. It's all like sketched out and everything. That's some weird looking smoke right there. To be quite honest, my the controller in my hand is like all swayy and stuff right now. Okay, just vote. Wait, what? I didn't even see him. I don't even see him. Oh, you guys can't tell, but the controller keeps vibrating every time. So like, alright, screw it, let's just go in there just to see. go investigate these things. Okay. Okay. Let's not go that way. Da 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 da. Oh, there we go. See, I knew there had to be one. Okay. I'm not looking at you, Mr. Scary Ghost. I'm not looking. Oh, Jesus God, I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I'm just gonna run away now and get some more tapes. Okay, this guy's fat. He can't run, like, at all. Look. Another dead end. Maybe I can, like, open the door or something. Open. Give me the codes. Give me the codes. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay, I'm not looking at you. I'm not looking at you. I'm just gonna keep on going this way. I don't like running. But then again, this guy walks like really, really slow. My dad's really loud and racist. He's talking about Spanish people. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Alright, sorry about that. I had to go talk to my parents about what we're doing for dinner tonight. So yeah, let's go play this game some more. I'm just gonna stick into the outer edge now. Okay, that's cool. It's some creepy looking tombs. Why is my flashlight flickering like that? I don't like it. That bum ba bum bum bum. Off on. I swear to God, if my flashlight like dies or something, I'd be highly upset. Okay, what's that noise? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, this is scaring the crap out of me. Oh God, no. Okay, I don't know if it's actually gonna come kill me or something, or I don't know. Let's just keep. Okay, is that water? It is. Alright. No, wait, that's not water. Wait. I can't tell. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, it is water, obviously. I'll stay away from it, I promise. See? I'm leaving your water alone. Okay. Apparently he doesn't like it when people mess with his water. It's understandable. Okay. Okay, that was creepy. It's kind of grew out of the ground. No, that's normal. I have a feeling there should be something on here. There should be a tape on here. Where? Oh God, where is he? I didn't even see him. Okay. Yeah, scared of me? Ho. Beat the crap out of him. I really don't like when my flashlight is flickering like that. Okay, there's like a wolf or something in the background. Okay. I'm lost now, like I don't even know where I am anymore. I thought this place was kind of small at first, now it's like, I don't even know where I am. Okay, there's his river. Oh my God! Holy crap. Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my God. Oh, that was horrifying. I don't want to play this game anymore. Oh my God.